Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am going to show you how to do a fall hairband, I guess you would call it. So all I am using is some Dollar Tree flowers. So there are 3 different sets. The first one looks like this. The second one looks like this. Third one looks like this. And then I got some hair bands. They're called hair wraps. And there's 10, which I'm just using the black one. And I got my scissors, which these are meat cutting scissors, but you know, whatever. And then a hot glue gun. So that's all I'm going to use to try to create this fall hairband. If you're wondering why my skin looks so glowy and good, check out my last video I posted. It was the Suzanne Selects box. I did an unboxing and I tried on the 4 products, full-size products in there. It is a $39.99 box. I did get a discount code for y'all. It is Valerie in all caps, V-A-L-E-R-I-E. You get 25% off from anything on that site, even the subscription box. It does ship to Canada, US, and international. I'm US, so I think it's free for us. I did get sent that for free for review, but I honestly, I know it was my first impressions today, but as you can tell, my skin looks freaking awesome. There's not a dab of makeup on yet. Anyway, this is not about that. But yeah, if you're wondering why my skin looks so good without any makeup, go check out my last video. This is about the fall hairband I created, or fall hair wrap I created. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I will create this, which you can tell what it looks like from the thumbnail, then just keep watching. So I guess the first thing I'm going to do is take this apart and get the hair bows out. My girls or me can wear these hair bands, so I'm not really worried about them being wasted since I do have 2 younger daughters. But yeah, all I need is one of these hair bands or hair wraps. And now I'm going to just trim the little flowers off, pretty much from like the very base of the flower right there, and then I will be right back. Okay, so maybe I don't need scissors, they just pull off. So all you have to do is just pull them off. So now I got all these pretty fall looking flowers, as you can tell here. And now I'm going to put a, well, see. Now I'm just going to dab a little bit of hot glue on top of the flower like so, and then put it on the hairband. I guess I'll put it like the inside, like so, and just leave it on there for like a minute each. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful. After like 10 seconds, you can actually press it in even more, like so. So it might take only like 20 seconds each. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. I do want to have it like staggered somewhat, but also really close together so it won't show any little spaces. I don't want really any spaces. So pretty much you see where the inner flower part is, or the like leafy part, probably like that close together, and do it that way. Alright, that's what they look with two together. So I'm just going to keep continuing on and like just going with the brown, orange, and yellow all the way around until I get done.
Just like another season, not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Okay, so just to make sure it stays together even on the back sides, I waited till it got a little bit more dry on some of the parts, and now I am going to just dab a little bit more hot glue on the outside parts, because as you can see, it's just done on one side for a guideline. Now I'm going to do the inside. Now I'm going to let that dry for a good while just to make sure that it will not glue to my hair. Okay, so earlier I told y'all that I posted like the skincare video right before this video, but no. I accidentally said that wrong. September 6th is when I did the Suzanne Summers subscription box, or the Suzanne Selects box. So that is when I posted that video. The video that posted right before this one was the Fall Fairy collab with Rescue is Love. And that's why I am creating this hair bow, is for that video. But I'm going to post that or this video after that. So this is the DIY flower hairband for fall. So yeah, and my next video is going to be a project pan finished hen by winter. But yeah, so I just got done watching one of my YouTube videos, and I let this dry. As you can tell, it's completely dry. That's what it looks like on the inside. Now I'm going to put it on. All right. I hope it doesn't fall apart. I don't know how I should do this. Probably need a hair bow first. Alright, I just put my hair in a quick little bun away from my face. I'm really nervous this is going to break when I go to put it on, so... Alright, so that's good. That's it. Yeah, like, that's alright. Definitely not gonna be wearing it nowhere. Yeah. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's definitely not like wearable out, but if you're going to a fall festival and you're just trying to get something very creative and out there, then this could be it. I will say that it's kind of uncomfortable of where the hot glue is. You got to put it on just right. So if I was to recreate this one that I'm doing now and critique it, I would actually just go with a hair band. They sell those at the Dollar Tree too, just the little thin strap hair bands, not all the way around type of stretchy top, just the actual like bands. That way when your hair, if you want to wear it straight, it won't poof up in the back where the flowers are. And then that also will prevent the hot glue from actually touching your real hair, which I don't think it's going to like warm up and glue my hair to my, you know, to the hairband or anything like that. But yeah, this is just for something like for the house, basically. I wouldn't go out and about with it. But for this like fall fairy look that I'm going to create for the video, then this is going to be just fine. But like I said, if you is going to recreate this, I would go with a hair band from the Dollar Tree instead of this hair wrap, and then just glue on top of that. That way the hot glue doesn't have to touch your actual hair, and it's more comfortable, and you can wear your hair down without the lumps in the back. So that's just a little, you know, create this, critique that kind of thing. But I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to see that collaboration video, the fairy look that I posted right before this one is in collaboration with Rescue is Love. She's freaking awesome. And I also do got a giveaway coming up later this month. It will be posted September 23rd. It's going to be my fall giveaway, so don't forget about that. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this DIY flower hairband. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye!